notifications, all alarm, a fully addressable notifier system, and some new changes to the electrical room. The panel has completely been redone. Circuit breakers have been added to the game. Very soon, this update will be out at 12 p.m. CST and 1 p.m. EST. This update will be out for all users across the world. I hope you enjoy this new update just as much as I do.